In this video, let's talk about are 4x110 wheel spacers good or bad? Quality 4x110 wheel spacers are good to use as long as we install them correctly. The 4x110 wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts between the hub assembly and the wheel. High-quality 4x110 wheel spacers can help your vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including cosmetic changes, brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, better handling, and more. 4x110 wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheels to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The length of the vehicle will be fuller, giving it an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Installing 4x110 wheel spacers is a great way to fix wrong offset rubbing problems that installed between the wheel hubs and the wheels, pushing the wheels and tires out a few millimeters. Because of the increased inner wheel clearance, you are less limited to aftermarket brake and wheel options. These 4x110 wheel spacers are helpful in preventing larger rims and wider tires from rubbing against the suspension component. Their performance benefits to upgrading with 4x110 wheel spacers. By increasing the track width, they add more stability. In general, a wider track makes for smoother ride. They also greatly improve stability and handling. Increased stability means better rollover resistance when driving in adverse conditions, which reduces risk. Works better by spacing the wheels out from the suspension. The 4x110 wheel spacers provide sporty and aggressive steps. Most people will agree that their vehicle looks better when the wheel gap is reduced. Bonus Forge FT Cooling 4x110 wheel spacers are designed to perform well in heavy-duty and 4x4 events. These 4x110 wheel spacers have high strength requirements. In addition, Bonus Forge FT Cooling 4x110 wheel spacers are designed with heat expansion grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. All bonus wheel spacer kits are delivered with authoritative SGS and TV certification report. In addition, Bonus Forge FT Cooling 4x110 wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, giving customer peace of mind. Such Bonus Forge FT Cooling 4x110 wheel spacers are surely a good option for your driving needs.